ABB ACS560 drive overview. In ABB ACS560 drive, here is separate buttons like back button, OK button, up down and left right arrow key, stop button, local remote selection, start for start your drive. Local remote means to change your control mode. If you want to run drive from keypad, so use local control and press the start button. Now your drive is start. Pressing one time LOC REM button. Here is option show remote. If you want to enter into any group or enter any option, press OK button. For up down button, you are selecting different option inbuilt in drives like copying option, like parameter setting option, parameter group options. If you want to enter into drive like 01, 02, 02, these are the parameter groups. And back button for exit in any group or in any icons. Here these are the input outputs. In blue color there are digital inputs, and green colors connector, these are the analog, and orange color these are the relay. And you can see gray color also, these are the modbus communication terminal, modbus 485. Here is a yellow color connector which is safe torque connector. In ABB now, blue color is dedicated to the all digital input, and green color for analog input and analog output, and orange color connector for relay output.